We want abogogo nabomkhulu to get 4,180 per month. We want veterans to get 4,220 per month. We want child support grant to be increased to 1,200 per month. We want disability, care dependency, and foster care increased. The EFF will introduce a graduate fund. Anyone who get matric and can't get a job will get 1,000 rand. Anyone who get a degree can't get a job will get 3,000 rand. Anyone who get an honors without a job will get 4,000 rand. No one must go to school and not get a job or not be paid for not going to school. Disability people are going to be at the center of housing. Disability people are going to be at the center of employment. Every person who's disabled will get a house within a year. We want all unemployed, disabled people, those who have capacity and the qualification to work. Comrades, 30 years down the line, we are still having the oppression of women. Our women are suffering the most. That's why in everything we do, our women must be number one. Our women must be 50% in positions of responsibility. Our women must be 50% in procurement. Our women must be 50% in administration. Our women must be 50% in parliament. This is the home of everyone.